my idol, Taylor Swift, okay, gets married at Madison Square Garden in New York. That's why I mentioned Madison Square Garden earlier. Like okay, there was a build up, okay, the week before, and I was starting to see reels, and I was like, okay, maybe she's doing it, maybe. But then some Swifties were like, this is extremely tacky.
Tell me about the build-up. What was going
The
on?
build up was maybe she's getting married.
What was the speculation? What were they
The
saying?
speculation. So earlier there was a somebody who was paid off in a very remote like venue, like a wedding venue in April. She was paid off because people thought that Taylor Swift was getting married there.
Okay.
That didn't happen. Then Madison Square Garden got booked off, and they started setting up, and
Yeah.
the people were wearing Taylor Swift like क्या बोलते हैं
Merch.
नहीं uniform.
Okay.
With her name on it. Taylor
Okay.
Swift Carpenters लिखा था उसके ऊपर. And but the Taylor Swift was written in the same font that her debut album has the font on the cover. So people thought this is very important in the fandom.
Yeah.
People
I'm not a part of the fandom.
So people thought that she was doing debut. So they call it debut, but the album name is Taylor Swift.
Okay.
The album name is only Taylor Swift. So they thought that it was debut Taylor's version she was doing finally, which we are waiting for.
Okay.
We are waiting for debut Taylor's version. We are waiting
Yeah.
for Reputation Taylor's version. We don't have both of those.
Okay.
So people were like, no, guys, this is not it. She's going to perform for us. She's going to show debut Taylor. Can't be. Because imagine being a multi-billionaire getting married to a multi-millionaire, and you want this to be your wedding. This is in the middle of the city, just the tackiest thing ever. Everybody's there, but
Nobody's
the
there.
king of New York, Mamdani,
Yeah.
is not invited. Mamdani is not invited to
Her
Taylor
best
Swift wedding.
friend.
That's fishy.
Her
best-
best friend, Blake
exactly.
Lively.
Yeah.
Exactly. They're
Yeah.
not best friends. So after the Jacob Baldoni thing, whatever happened,
Yeah.
people are saying that caused a crack in the friendship, and she was not
Yeah.
invited. And she was specifically, the Blake Lively and the husband,
Hmm.
they were kind of salty about it. So like the next weekend, they called the paparazzis, and they were acting all cutesy, and it was the corniest thing ever.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Like he was kidding.
But she did not call them, but she called Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
She got back. She called everybody.
She called everybody. No,
There
1
were
minute.
1,000 people at that wedding.
When I read the news about her wedding, I was like, oh, there were no bridesmaid, there were no maid of honor, there was no groomsmen, nothing. It's like just close friends and family.
No.
Hazard log nikal gaye.
It was the headline that you're talking about. The specificity about
No
there being,
bridesmaid. I'm sorry. No bridesmaid and no groomsmen.
there were no,
there
bridesmaids.
was Taylor Swift's brother was her
Was the best
Man of honor?
Man of honor, and the Travis Kelce's brother was best man.
Yeah, that's all.
What they meant was there was no wedding party, so there was no hierarchy or whatever that usually weddings have. There were only guests.
No.
It was not an intimate thing ever.
That I got.
Yeah.
But they made it sound like it was intimate, right?
No, that's not what they meant by
the
the-
pictures and everything came way later than maybe I must have seen those pictures a little later after the headline came out. But then when I read the headline, it said only close friends and family invited, and it felt intimate because all they put out was the just TNT married, again very corny.
Yeah.
No,
Extremely
I
corny.
woke up the morning of 4th of July,
Yeah.
and my sister, because I was talking to my sister before we were on a trip, and I was like, no, Nafshu, like, she's not getting married. Obviously, this is an album release. Like, don't worry, she's gonna get married in Italy only.
She'll
yaar.
tell me, bro.
She's gonna get married in Italy in a village, and she's not gonna call anyone. This is tacky as fuck, okay? And my sister, I wake up at the breakfast table, she's like, you saw this? And she showed me. I said, no, it's fake, it's AI. I said, no, this is in New York, this is in Times Square. Your wedding
Nah. And dude, I have to. I'm sorry, the just TNT with the black and the pink. Nah, queen.
you made it in Paint, not even Canva.
I kid you not.
Yeah.
I kid you not. The first time that I read that,
Yeah.
it's like Justin and T.
Same.
Justinity.
Same.
So AT&T is a mobile service provider like Jio. Udhar ka hai.
Huh?
I don't know if this was a. I really don't. I can't.
You can't say anything, right?
Can't say anything. And it was in
उसकी
the colors,
शादी
I think.
मुझे-
If I'm not wrong, हाँ.
उसकी शादी हुई भी है कि नहीं?
हाँ हुई है
हुई है, ऐसा
नहीं
वो लोग तो बोल रहे हैं.
apparently they were like the vows and everything were like long and like entertaining.
Did you know
and
who
very
officiated
personal.
the wedding?
Adam Sandler.
Adam Sandler officiated.
Yeah, it's like Joey officiating.
Yeah.
Ross
Ross and Rachel.
Monica and Chandler's wedding.
Yeah.
हाफ पैंट पहन के आया था एडम सैंडलर.
And नहीं, I hope वो नहीं पहन कर आया था half pant, लेकिन
पिक्चर नहीं देखा भाई उसका.
yeah,
But
I
what
was
what
in
are your thoughts
disbelief.
on her wedding gown?
On her wedding gown.
Or her wedding
वो-
look.
वो अगर if I saw a picture of her standing in it, I would have a better opinion.
Yeah.
But वो दिख रहा था जैसे मैंने 2010 में क्लाइनफील्ड में वही देखा था.
मुझे लगता है
मैंने
कि
देखा हुआ है ये.
देखा हुआ है,
ये
हाँ.
सब AI है ब्रो.
ये अब तक denial है.
मुझे शादी नहीं हुई है.
मुझे
नहीं
भी
हुई
लगता है.
वो इटली में शादी करने
वो
वाली है, एक छोटे से गांव में. ठीक है.
नहीं
तो कहाँ शादी करेगी वो?
हाँ मतलब वही होगा.
हाँ.
This can't be true.
It can't be true.
This is-
But okay, so everyone was saying कि we were 1,000 people, इतनी बड़ी शादी थी वगैरह वगैरह. I'm sorry, but मेरे भाई की शादी में 2,000 लोग आए थे.
Mic drop. मैं क्या बोलूं?
मैं कैसे?
तुम क्या कहना
अब
चाहोगे?
भले सबरीना कारपेंटर नहीं आई थी.
बट इसके खल्फे खानदान से 2,000 लोग थे.
2,000 लोग आए थे, लेकिन सबरीना कारपेंटर ने भिजवाया था कवर. $100 का कवर भिजवाया था. 101.
मुझे लगा एल्बम कवर. अच्छा था.
नहीं था भाई.
टाइमिंग.
Let us know down in the comments whether ये joke
Was
अच्छा
the
था
Taylor
या
Swift
नहीं.
wedding was real or AI?
Was
Oh,
the Taylor
yeah.
Swift wedding real or AI?
What do you believe? Did she actually get married?
I really hope not. But the thing is that she does not Easter egg about her personal life.
I think
Okay, so you believe that she actually got married.
Unfortunately, that is true.
I think she got married, but she got married nicely, and this is all like a
A play.
हाँ मतलब आ रहा है सबको. जैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे ना कि दीपिका की बेटी AI लगती है.
अरे हाँ.
Feel something like that.
Yeah.
Hi guys, if you like this clip, you can watch the entire episode at We Are Besharam on YouTube, or you can also check the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all the jazz, and I'll see you in the comments, okay? Bye!